Hey, welcome back. All right, in this lesson, I want to talk about some of the tools and platforms and techniques that you might be using for your website. I have a WordPress website myself, and I'm also using a tool called Techmatics, which hosts my website, but then I also have my mailing list and social media planner and online courses and everything under one umbrella in there. I highly recommend because I've been able to cancel a bunch of my other subscriptions, but my main website is a WordPress website. If you don't have any website at all, I recommend maybe don't start with a WordPress one unless you know that it's going to be a big website and you're going to use it for many different things. I find that a typical artist, creative person, or small business owner can do really well with a Wix website, which is much easier to set up and manage. Wix is a great option. Squarespace is another good option. If you're an artist, I recommend Faso. I don't know what the Faso stands for. I'll put it in the notes in this lesson once I figure it out. But it's probably something about fine art, something. Anyway, it's a really nice, I believe it's free or inexpensive website builder where you can actually put your artwork in there and sell it from their platform. I also have an art storefronts website for my shop. So that's another option if you're an artist and you want to have a really nice shop with many options for printing and shipping and just have it all set up in one e-commerce location. Some people use Shopify. And if you do have a WordPress website, there are all kinds of little plugins that you can use together with your WordPress website. WooCommerce is another one. I believe there are options with Adobe. If you happen to have Adobe Creative Cloud, they have an option for making your portfolio there. Behance is another one tied to Adobe where you might want to put your portfolio up. I mean, in general, if you just did a search right now for best free website builder or best inexpensive website builder, easy drag and drop kind of thing, you're going to find new tools being invented by the day, by the week. They're always changing. I think that out of all of them, having worked with a bunch of different people, I would say Wix is a really great option for getting started, whether you're an artist or a small business. If you're specifically an artist, I have worked with other artists who use Faso, Faso, which looks absolutely amazing. I like my art storefronts website, but if I had known about Faso, maybe I would have started with them instead because it does a lot of the same things, but it's more cost effective. All right, I'm going to attach some resources to this lesson just to get you started thinking about what tools you might use. Just a friendly neighborhood reminder that this course doesn't focus on specific tools because there are so many of them and everybody's using different things. And on top of that, they're changing every day and being updated, whatever, going bankrupt or being invented. So this course is focusing on the do's and don'ts of a good website that do not change with time or with new tools being invented. But I did definitely wanted to make this lesson to give you ideas as to how you might start building your website. If you're going to do it yourself, I do recommend Faso, Wix. I think Weebly is another one, Squarespace. These are the ones that are easiest for beginners to use because they have templates and you can kind of just use one of their templates and then swap in your text, your images, your links. They also have options that somebody can help you with that. They even have options where AI can set up the initial website for you and then you go in and tweak it. So there are so many amazing options. I know my web design students from years ago when I was first teaching it in 2000, 2001 could only have dreamed of having this kind of help. Back in the olden days, you had to really learn web design to make it happen. Now you can just use templates. So that's awesome. So good luck. I hope you choose something that makes your work look amazing. And if you have any questions, ask me. I will see you in the next lesson. Bye.